In the last video, we created the HTML and CSS for our home page. Now what we want to do is we want to implement the animation, which is going to be very simple. We're using our W3 CSS framework, which has built-in animation. Okay, so if we take a look at this page, this is the different types. We can have it coming in from the top, bottom, left, and right. We can fade in, we can zoom, and we can spin. All right, so what I want to do is the photos here on the home page, I want these to fade in. So what we'll do is take a look right here, and this is what we're going to need. We're going to need this class, and we're going to put this on each image. Okay, so let's grab this, copy it, and go to our index page, and on each image we're going to paste this in. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it. And now you can see that it just fades in. Alright, now on the single page, we're also going to use an animation. So let's go ahead and create that. Okay, so we're going to open up single.html. We're going to open that with Sublime. Alright, and then what I want to do is I want to link each of these images to that page. So actually we'll just link the first one. Okay, so let's see, we're going to put an A tag here. That's going to go to single.html. You could put it for the rest if you want, but it doesn't really matter. This is just the HTML. This isn't the actual theme. Okay, so now that's going to go to single HTML. So what I'm going to do is copy everything that's in index HTML and put it in single. Okay, and then what we'll do, all this stuff's going to stay the same, the categories. What we want to do is empty up this 9-column div. So we want to get all this out. Okay, so this is where we're going to put our single image. So we're going to put an article tag here. Okay, and let's give it a class of post. And then we're going to have a paragraph with the class of meta. And some of this stuff might change just a little when we actually create the theme. But what we're going to do is, let's say posted at, and then let's do some kind of time. We'll just say 2:00 p.m. on say 03/29/2016. Okay, and then we're going to say bye Brad. Okay, and after that, let's put an HR. Okay, and then let's put the actual image. So we'll just link this to images/1.jpg. Okay, and we want this to animate, so we're going to give this a class of W3 animate. Actually, let me just check that real quick. I want it to come in from the right. So yeah, we want that. So it would be W3 animate right. Okay, so that's the image, and then under that I want another row. So this will be W3 row, and then we'll have a column. We'll say W3 call, and let's do L2. Okay, this is where we're going to put the back button. and then we'll have a 10 here. Okay, now in the 2, we're just going to have, let's do a BR, put a line break, and then we're going to have a link that's going to go back to index.html, and we're going to give it a class to format it as a button, so that'll be w3 btn, and let's say w3 red. Okay, and then on this side we're going to have the photo title and also the description. Okay, description, I'm just going to paste this little bit of sample text in. Alright, so let's save that, and we'll go back to single, and there we go. You can see the image comes in from the right. Now, a couple things I want to do. This is too close right here. You can see they're up against each other, this column and this column. So what I'm going to do is, we have an article with the class of post, so I'm just going to add some padding to that post class. So for that, we'll say padding 20 pixels. Alright, and then I also want to add the class of pic to that main image. So right here, we'll say pic, save that, and let's check it out. Okay, so now you can see that the photo actually fits in there, and also we're not right up against the side column. So we have the title, the description, and the back. Awesome. So that's going to be it for the HTML. Now in the next video, we're ready to start creating our WordPress theme.